Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
5 seconds. The main dispute involved in this appeal concerns the question of necessity of presence of a purchaser of immovable property before the authority under the Registration Act 1908 at the time of effective registration of a deed of conveyance in the suit out of which this appeal arises, the plaintiff claimed declaration of himself as the lawful owner in possession of the suit property. The plaintiff is the appellant before us. This suit was instituted and was registered as original suit number 132 of 1989 in the Court of Civil Judge, Junior Division, Medak. The plaintiff also claimed permanent injunction against the defendants, restraining them from interfering with this peaceful possession of the suit property and enjoyment thereof. The property in question comprises of approximately 4,500 square feet of land in a village by the name of H. Kopalu in Malvalu Taluk in the state of Karnataka. Originally, this property bore site number 21, which was subsequently number 23. The plaintiff's case before the trial court was that this property was allotted to one G.V. Gowda under a village shifting scheme. In the suit, the plaintiff contended that he had come in possession of the subject property initially as a tenant and subsequently as the purchaser thereof. He has run a case before the trial court that he has been in possession of the suit property for about 20 years prior to filing of the suit. Respondent numbers 7 to 9 in this appeal derived their interest in the property through one M. Gowda, since deceased, son of original allottee G.V. Gowda. In the suit, these three respondents were defendant numbers 1A, 1B and 1C. Their predecessor M. Gowda was originally impleaded as defendant number 1. The respondents numbers 1 to 6 are legal representatives of one M. Gowda, since deceased, who contested the claim of ownership of the plaintiff over the subject property. Said M. Gowda was impleaded as the second defendant in the suit. On his demise, respondent numbers 1 to 6 were substituted as defendants number 2A to 2F. They have disputed plaintiff's possession of the suit property. They claim to be actual owners of the property through their predecessor. There have been litigations in the past over the same property among the same set of parties or their predecessors. M. Gowda had instituted a suit for declaration and permanent injunction against M. Gowda. The earlier suit, registered as OS number 675 of 1971, was instituted in the court of Munsif at Mandya and in the year 1971 in the court of Munsif, Malavali. The plaintiff had impleaded the plaintiff and M. Gowda as defendants in the said suit. Complaint of the plaintiff in that suit was disturbance of his possession. After contest at different levels of the judicial hierarchy, that suit was ultimately dismissed on 23rd March 1989 at the instance of the plaintiff only. The order of dismissal was made on as it appears from paragraph 4 of the plaint of the suit from which the present proceeding originates records.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.